So, remember Brian when I told you that he used to go past my door coughing and sneezing because he has to wait until he gets right at my door? Watch this. Or listen to this, I should tell you. He just went to the bathroom, and it's approximately 2:38 in the morning. 2:38 in the morning. I'll show you the date, time, and day when I'm done. Now he's tapping on my wall over by my TV. He'll be coming out any second. And you'll be able to hear it loud and clear because I got it turned up. This is what he does. Is this playing? Yeah, it's playing. Got about 49 seconds. Okay. You'll see it and hear it. And this is one of his techniques to get under your skin, harass you, torment you. It's always near your door. He has to do this to wake you up, to get under your skin. So if I call an ambulance, this is why I'm having chest pains. Here he comes. Oh, I didn't have it plugged in. Son of a beach. Alright, hold on. Let me back it up a little bit. Now you'll be able to hear it. Well, this is going to go a little longer than expected. I didn't have my speaker plugged in. Didn't want to go over 2 minutes, but I guess I'm going to have to. Yeah. Now that's him. And he does this all the time. He's been doing it for 15 months. But I'm a liar, right? I'm hallucinating this stuff. And this is after he closed the door at about 1:30-ish to 1:45. He does this to me all the time. But I'm harassing him, right?